Hey there, captains of industry. Think regulations are just red tape? Think again. In manufacturing and logistics, compliance is not a suggestion, it's a lifeline. We're talking about people's safety, the environment, and yes, your company's reputation. One misstep can lead to hefty fines, lawsuits, or even worse, a full-blown PR nightmare. Remember the BP oil spill? Yeah, not exactly a case study in stellar corporate responsibility. First things first, know your industry inside and out. This isn't just about reading the rulebook, though that's a good start. This is about understanding the why behind the rules. Why are there limits on emissions? Why are there restrictions on how long truck drivers can drive? Because ignoring these rules has real-world consequences. Imagine a world where companies cut corners on safety to save a buck, where toxic waste gets dumped in rivers without a second thought. That's the world without regulations, folks, and that's a world none of us want to live in. So yeah, compliance might seem like a hassle, but it's a small price to pay for a functioning society. All right, let's talk acronyms. First up, we've got OSHA, the Occupational Safety and Health Administration. They're like the hall monitors of the manufacturing world, making sure workplaces are safe for employees. Think hard hats, safety goggles, and procedures for handling hazardous materials. Then there's the EPA, the Environmental Protection Agency. They're all about protecting our air and water from pollution. So if your factory is pumping out more smog than a rush hour traffic jam, expect a knock on the door. And for those of you in the logistics game, say hello to the FMCSA, the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration. They set the rules of the road for commercial vehicles, from truck driver hours of service to vehicle maintenance standards. Think of them as the referees of the highway, making sure everyone is playing by the rules. But wait, there's more. Beyond these big players, there are industry-specific standards like ISO 9001 for quality management in manufacturing. This certification tells the world that you've got your act together when it comes to delivering consistently high-quality products. In logistics, we've got things like HOS, or Hours of Service regulations. These rules dictate how long truck drivers can be behind the wheel, because drowsy driving is dangerous driving. Now let's talk about the digital age. Remember that massive Equifax data breach? Yeah, not exactly a shining moment for data security. In today's world, protecting customer information is non-negotiable. That's where regulations like GDPR, General Data Protection Regulation, and CCPA, California Consumer Privacy Act, come in. Think of these regulations as the bouncers of the internet, making sure companies are handling your personal information responsibly. They give you more control over your data and set strict rules for how companies can collect, store, and use it. Ignore these rules and you could be looking at hefty fines and a whole lot of angry customers. And while we're on the topic of global business, let's not forget about financial regulations. Cross-border transactions come with their own set of rules, especially when it comes to preventing money laundering. That's where AML, or anti-money laundering regulations, come into play. These regulations are designed to stop the flow of dirty money and make sure financial systems aren't used for shady business. Let's face it, navigating the world of regulations can feel like trying to solve a Rubik's Cube blindfolded. That's where legal counsel comes in. Think of them as your compliance Sherpas, guiding you through the treacherous terrain of rules and regulations. A good lawyer can help you understand the specific regulations that apply to your business, identify potential risks, and develop strategies to mitigate them. They can also help you navigate the often complex process of obtaining permits and licenses. But it's not just about lawyers. Joining industry associations can be a game changer. These groups are like the cool kids table of compliance, providing you with a direct line to the latest regulatory updates, best practices, and networking opportunities. Think of it as a support group for businesses trying to stay on the right side of the law.